Welcome to the video. Today, we are diving into a question that many people have when they struggle with manifestation. Why am I not able to manifest? We'll explore this topic through the lens of Eckhart Tolle's profound teachings. Understanding manifestation and Tolle's teachings. Manifestation, at its core, is about bringing desires or goals into reality through focus and intention. However, according to Eckhart Tolle, the process isn't as straightforward as simply thinking about what we want. Tolle emphasizes the importance of being deeply present in the now, which means that our ability to manifest is intricately linked to our state of being in the present moment. The present moment. Tolle's teachings revolve around the idea that true power lies in the present moment. When we are fixated on future outcomes or desires, we are not fully engaged in the here and now. This lack of presence can actually hinder the manifestation process. By staying grounded in the present, we tap into a more powerful and authentic state of being that aligns us with what we want to achieve. Detachment from outcomes. Another key aspect of Tolle's philosophy is detachment from specific outcomes. Many people struggle with manifestation because they are overly attached to how and when their desires will materialize. Tolle teaches that this attachment creates resistance and blocks the flow of manifestation. The secret is to set your intention and then let go, trusting that the universe will deliver what's best for you in its own time. The role of the ego. Tolle also highlights the role of the ego in the manifestation process. Often, our desires are driven by the ego, which seeks validation, status, or material gain. These ego-driven goals are not always aligned with our deeper, more authentic self. When our desires come from a place of lack or insecurity, they can create obstacles rather than facilitating manifestation. Inner conflict and alignment. Internal conflict and misalignment with our true self can further impede the manifestation process. Tolle suggests that resolving these inner conflicts and aligning with our true purpose can remove barriers to manifestation. It's important to address any internal struggles and ensure that our goals are in harmony with our authentic self. Practical steps. To overcome these challenges, it's beneficial to practice mindfulness and stay present. Engage in activities like meditation or mindful breathing to cultivate a state of being that supports manifestation. Embrace detachment from specific results and focus on enjoying the process rather than obsessing over the outcome. Resolving inner conflicts and aligning with your deeper self will also enhance your manifestation efforts. By understanding and applying Eckhart Tolle's teachings, you can address the common obstacles to manifestation and open yourself up to a more effective and fulfilling process. Remember, the journey of manifestation is as much about inner alignment and presence as it is about achieving specific goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and manifestation.